I'm Daniel Moore. I am Assistant Professor of Design. Receiving the Early Career Excellence in Creative Arts Award is amazing. It's so much of what we do, so much of our research happens outside of the classroom, and sometimes it can feel really unnoticed. Getting this award, it's the university, it's colleagues and peers recognizing that work. It's people saying, hey, you're doing something right. I think I grew up with a really outdoorsy family, and I was really involved in the Boy Scouts when I was younger. Just kind of grew up with a passion for the outdoors and learning to protect the environment. I think that art is a great opportunity to start conversations with people. I use art in my workshops as a way to get people out in nature, enjoying nature, and learning about conservation and environmental issues. I've been able to connect with the community using art. I've had the chance to organize a series of art workshops with a National Wildlife Refuge in Monroe. I've had a great opportunity to invite people out to the refuge outside making art, learning about the environment. We have a lot of assignments and drawing classes, and one of them is a sketchbook, and it's just a practice of journaling your experience in the art class. And in my sketchbook assignments, I require students to go out and experience cultural events on campus, outside of campus. I encourage students to go listen to music. The really beautiful thing about design is we can pull influences from anywhere. I think that good designers learn everything that they can learn about their craft. I think great designers learn everything that they can learn about anything.